Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. This Tahoe is featured in iridescent pearl tri-coat paint finish. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine with our automatic transmission as well as four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have our total of 7 passenger seating on jet black leather seating surfaces. In both front and second row of the vehicle we have heated seats. Cooled seats in the front of the vehicle with power driver and passenger seats. We also have GPS navigation, a dual pane panoramic moonroof, as well as our full array of safety assist with forward collision alert, lane keep assist with departure warning, and front and rear park assist. Outside the vehicle we have black alloy wheels, a black molded assist step, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors with power fold, and they also have an integrated blind spot. Power windows with rear window lock, and then driver seat memory with mirror memory and 2 memory settings. Storage in the rest of the door, and our Bose speaker in the front. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have an electronic parking brake, our lane keep assist with departure warning, traction control, front and rear park assist, controls for downhill, as well as auto stop start, and a way to turn on our 120 volt plugs. Then we have our heads-up display, location, information, and brightness, an integrated trailer brake controller, interior and exterior lighting controls, and then our transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive. Power tilt telescopic steering column down the side. And then we have a power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar. The seat itself is finished in our jet black leather, and we have 2 memory settings. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center we have our digital information system where we can see our audio, navigation, as well as phone connections, and we have a digital speedometer. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise with our forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and then controls for that driver information system. Behind on either side, we have audio controls and push-to-start ignition on the right-hand side. Precision shifter to the left of our screen. Moving to the screen itself, in the center, we have a full touchscreen system. If we go into audio and more, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. We also have a phone connection with GPS navigation. Then we have a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, users, settings, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Then we have trailering, lights, controls, apps, OnStar, climate, our backup camera with full surround view. Then we have Sirius XM and My Chevrolet to complete the screen. Below it we have 2 vents, some storage on the passenger side with our hazard lights, controls for volume, home, back, seek, and then menu controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Below that we have our front 2 zones of our tri-zone climate control, independent settings, or we can turn on sync. We also have front and rear defrost with zone settings in the middle. Below the temperature on either side, we have a heated seat back and seat cushion, or just the seat back for driver. Also have a vented option. Passenger has the exact same settings. The bottom center, we have our rear climate on, as well as rear on and off, and we can adjust it from the front. Below that, we have our power in the front of the vehicle, a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug, right above a wireless charging pad. 2 cup holders with some storage. Leather finish console with storage up top, more removable storage inside, as well as our SD slot, USB-C and USB-A inside the console. In our cup holder, we also have our key fobs. On it, we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, power glass, as well as an alarm system. Moving to the passenger seat, finished in that same jet black leather that the driver's seat was in. Heated, cooled with a powered function. Moving to the rear view mirror, we have our full digital system. We can adjust everything to our brightness as well as our zoom level, and then our location. The bottom, we can switch it to a regular rear view mirror. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, slide tilt sunroof settings with our powered sunshade, dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls at the front, folding second row seat functions, as well as our power tailgate functions. Then we have a universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. Lastly, we have a dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the second row of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and a Bridgestone Alenza tire. Moving out, we have chrome capped mirrors with blind spot monitors and integrated turn signals. Our molded black assist step, as well as paint match door handles with chrome accents and keyless entry. Moving all the way around to the back, we have our black bow tie, Tahoe, as well as Premier badging in chrome, quad exhaust tips. Opening up into the back of the vehicle, we have power release on the bottom. You can just press it and our lift gate opens up on its own. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have a all-weather mat with some storage space underneath. On the passenger side, we can have power folding third row seats, 60-40 split. You can also fold our second row seats, which fold flat with a double press. Lastly, on this side, we have a 120 volt plug. To close the vehicle, we have power release on the left or manual release on the right hand side. Now moving into our second and third rows, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power window, as well as storage throughout the door and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the front of the driver and rear passenger. Then we have 2 cup holders in the back of the center console with some storage, tri-zone climate controls for our second row, as well as heated seats and auto and mode select for the second row climate. Then we have 2 USB-Cs for charging, as well as a flip open 120 volt plug. On the floor, we have all-weather rubber mats. Second row seats, we have dual captain's chairs finished in our jet black leather and both of them heated. Down the side, if we pull on the front, we can slide our seat forward or back. If we pull on the second row twice, we can fold it flat with the third row seating. Third row seating is a 60-40 power fold bench, foldable directly from the back of the vehicle in a 60-40 split. On either side, we have storage with a cup holder, as well as our USB-C. You can see the same layout on the passenger side. Across the roof of the vehicle, we have third row vents as well as our lighting. Second row, we have the second pane of our dual pane sunroof. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.